This question asks us to state the number of lines of symmetry for the shape shown below. And we can see that for this quadrilateral, it's a rectangle, which is 3 unit squares by 6 unit squares. And at this point, it would be a good idea to pause the video to see if you can answer the question yourself. When thinking about the lines of symmetry for this rectangle, we can see that the first obvious line of symmetry would be a line of symmetry straight down the middle, essentially cutting the shape in half. So that's a vertical line of symmetry, and similarly we could have a horizontal line of symmetry which slices the rectangle in half. So we can see that the solution for the question is that there are two lines of symmetry. Now, it's quite a common error to think that there's a line of symmetry going through the diagonals. However, if we think about proving this or drawing what this would look like, imagine if we take a line of symmetry from the bottom left-hand corner to the top right-hand corner, and if we draw this part of the rectangle and then think about what that part of this rectangle would look like in this line of symmetry, what shape would we see? Well, this is the shape that we would see. So there's the bottom left-hand corner of the rectangle, and there's the top right-hand corner of the rectangle, and this is the corresponding part on that rectangle. But we can think of this line of symmetry as a mirror line in essence. So when we reflect the shape in this mirror line, we actually form what looks like a kite.